The Supreme Court has taken strong exception to the confinement of 270 foreign nationals at a detention center in Assam, many of them for more than 10 years, and has directed the state chief secretary to appear before it on February 5th. The apex court wants explanation from the Assam government as to why these foreign nationals have not been deported to their respective countries yet, besides seeking details of the reasons for their detention. The Supreme Court has directed the Chief Secretary to explain non-compliance with the court's earlier order seeking information in this matter. A bench of Justices Abhay S. Oka and N. Koteshwar Singh passed the order while dealing with the issue of deportation of about 270 persons at the detention center in Assam, including 66 from Bangladesh. Earlier, it had asked the MHA and Assam government to state how they planned to deport the said foreign nationals. The court had granted a time of 6 weeks to the state to file a compliance affidavit. The apex court stated that it had expected the state to put on record reasons in its affidavit for detaining 270 foreign nationals in the transit camp and details of the steps taken by the government for deporting the detainees. Well, the Supreme Court bench noted that some of the foreigners were languishing in the camps for about 10 years and more, and the Assam government affidavit does not give any justification for detaining these people. Stating that steps taken to deport them are not set out, the apex court noted that this was a gross violation of its earlier orders. Listing the matter on February 5th, the court further directed the state to comply with the first part of the direction issued on December 9, 2024, as per which an additional chief secretary of the state was to visit the detention camp and file a report. As per live law, the hearing began with Justice Oka expressing dissatisfaction with Assam's affidavit, saying it was completely defective insofar as the state was asked to explain why so many persons were being detained in the camp, but no answer was forthcoming. When Assam's counsel said that the persons were detained only after they were declared foreigners by Foreigners Tribunal, the judge asked as to why deportation process had not begun if the persons had been so declared by the tribunal. When the Assam Council explained that the deportation process of illegal migrants takes place through the union government, the bench said the complete details of declared illegal migrants, including contact address, are to be provided by state government to Ministry of External Affairs, which then verifies the identities of the migrants through diplomatic channels. But why this procedure is not being followed, asked Justice Oka in response, highlighting that the persons are being detained at state expense and have rights under Article 21 of the Constitution. Subsequently, Assam's counsel mentioned that nationality verification of 203 illegal migrants is pending before the central government, to which Justice Oka pointed out that the affidavit did not mention when the identity verification process was started, why it was pending, and what follow-up steps had been taken by the state. But though Assam's council insisted that the state has taken steps for deportation of the concerned migrants, the bench was dissatisfied with the response on account of the affidavit being silent on most aspects. Ultimately, time was sought on behalf of the state to file a detailed affidavit.